get ready with us to church. I'm gonna wear this dress. Woo. Kwanza tuende kwa shower. So guys, after taking a shower, I have this dress, that, then I have this shoe. You guys have to let me choose between this one and this one. I think I'll go with this one. Voila, now for the makeup. I'm done with the mascara. Now for the lipstick. Done. Now the lip gloss. Done. This is the final outfit. Let's go to church. I'm going to church. Bye.